Today I will show you the best energy presets for 2026 music videos. Yo, it's Povikas here and I'm incredibly excited to show you the best impact effects for 2026 music videos. I've been in the video editing scene for over 7 years now, and I've seen the music video editing scene change a lot in these couple of years. But one thing I've seen not change is the need for crazy flashes, impacts, and other energy effects. And to actually have these crazy energy impact presets in your edits, I'm going to be using my newest Ultimate Impact bundle, which has over 50 drag and drop impact presets, which give you insane distortions and shakes, which clients absolutely love for their music videos or edits. So I would 100% recommend to check out the Ultimate Impact bundle, and I will leave a link down for it in the description. But anyways, let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, so once we're in After Effects, you can do a couple of things if you want. If you want these black bars, you can just press Ctrl+Y to make a new adjustment layer and add a motion tile effect onto it, and just make the output width to 75 to make it look a bit more cinematic. That's going to add these black bars. But anyways, now what you can do is press Ctrl+Y and let's go to animation presets, user presets, and once you have installed the Ultimate Impact bundle, you will see impact presets and impact presets v2. So you can open both of them up and you will see a bunch of presets, but I just want to show you how actually insane they are. So what you can actually do is just take, like, for example, insane chroma distortion, drag it on top of the adjustment layer, and instantly you will have your crazy energy impact effect made in just a second, pretty much. I don't even know, like, just very quickly, and that looks amazing, super popular in music videos, and it is absolutely the way to go for music videos. And you can actually combine these effects and enjoy it. So I'm actually gonna do this on this clip. I'm going to press Ctrl+Y. So for example, I'm gonna go to my newest impact presets v2 and I'm going to add flash, which is one of the craziest impacts you can possibly have in After Effects, and it's going to look like this, but you can combine it. So you can press Ctrl+Y and you can actually combine it with pop, or I mean, it doesn't have to be pop, it can be whatever effect you want, but I think this combination looks absolutely amazing. So this is how it's going to look with the combination. As you can see, that looks insane. And let's go to another clip of SD Kid smoking. Let's press Ctrl+Y and let's actually add LSD hit 2. And LSD hit 2 is going to give this crazy, I guess, LSD effect. I mean, I don't know. I thought it was a fitting name for this effect. As you can see, it kind of looks like LSD hit. Alright, and now let's go to this clip, press Ctrl+Y, and let's add something from just the impact presets. So for example, flashy. How I made this Ultimate Impact bundle is pretty much like the impact presets are going to be these kind of like distortion effects that don't have that much color but are just very viral, and you absolutely need them, as you can see with this flash shake. And the impact presets v2 are impact presets that have this crazy like colorful distortion, just absolutely crazy effects, and these packs are totally different, but they're combined into one Ultimate Impact bundle. And that just looks crazy. And let's just go to the last clip and let's press Ctrl+Y, and here to end it off, I'm gonna add color pop. And here we go guys, we have done this crazy sequence in literally a couple of minutes, and that is one of the coolest sequences you can just do in a couple of minutes. Actually, I think you could do this in 1 minute, because all you would just have to do is just drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop, and instantly done. This works amazing for music videos, edits, whatever you can do. It is amazing with this pack. And also guys, as a thank you gift for watching these tutorials and supporting the channel, I have to let you know that if you use code IMPACT at the checkout, you will save $5 off on the Ultimate Impact bundle. Another thing I do have to say is that this pack does require the Sapphire plugin, so just make sure to have that, but most of the editors have this plugin, and for a music video editor, it's a very important plugin to have. But anyways guys, it was fun. Have a fun and productive day. See ya.